Hey, I wanted to take a moment to tell you a story about how a bank statement loan, also known as a non-QM loan, saved the deal for a client. So we have a client that was referred to me. They're moving with their same employer from another state to Colorado, but the employer cannot have them be a W-2 employee here in Colorado. They have to change from W-2 to 1099. uh, Before they reached me, several lenders said, "Hey, there's nothing you can do. You have to be 1099 for 2 years." And so I did a little bit of research on the situation and found them a great program. It's a bank statement loan where instead of looking at W-2s and pay stubs, the banks are only going to look at bank statements for the last 12 months. They're going to average the deposits that are being deposited. So essentially, it never comes up that they are changing from W-2 to 1099. Other than that, the client had perfect credit, huge down payment. So it's one of those situations where there's got to be a solution for this client. They have great credit, 50% down payment. They're actually staying with the same employer. So it's a real technicality. I reviewed that with the client. The interest rates are higher on those loans, but it was less than a 1% increase over current interest rates. And they knew that the employer probably within a year would be settled to be W-2 again. So we have a potential refinance down the road at a lower interest rate. And the buyer could not be more excited about the possibility to buy a home once they move here. If you know someone in a situation like that, please reach out. I'd love to find a